soon, understand? And I swear to God, the moment you turn right, the moment you turn right, the guy showed up. Like I had no way to call you back. It was... Had you waited just another minute, had I stayed in your car just another minute, you would have seen him.
You saw that? Yeah, I would have seen it, yeah. For sure.
Like the 8-bitter. See, I almost didn't wait.
Ainda bem que você foi lá naquela hora que a gente foi, né? Quer dizer...
Didn't I tell you I better go now because I don't know when he's gonna arrive? He said between 1 hour and 1 hour and a half. I was like, no, I better go now. It's okay.
I don't like to leave the heating thing too hot.
Okay, I'm getting out of the vehicle at this present time.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, you better close your window.
Yeah, wait.
Daddy, can I exit the vehicle?
No, Daddy. No, Daddy.
Am I allowed to walk home alone, Daddy? Anyhow, if it's not recognizing the keys anymore, then he won't be able to do a damn thing about it. He can hook up an OBD scanner to see if it throws out any codes. Old cars, that's what happens. That's what you get.
Yeah, check. There could be something else, though. You don't know.
It could be a number of things. I hope that the keys don't need to be reprogrammed, because if that's the case, then you're up a shit's creek without a paddle. Up a shit's creek without a paddle in that scenario. You know what? I'm gonna have to buy a new car. I'm just kidding. I don't know which car had the worst problems. The Audi. The Audi, the alarm would go off on its own. No, it's not recording.
Of course it is. You think I'm telling you or what?
It's not recording.
I know it's recording, but the light is blinking.
It's not recording anymore. I'm just holding up for the fun of it. Look.
Yeah, yeah.
I like holding the camera up to my face for no goddamn reason if I'm not recording. It's probably not going to be a good video because it's not, I mean, it's not super dark, but yet it's not, I mean, it's kind of...
Look, I'm flying, I'm flying.
Kind of
That's very good, huh? You flew after a long time. You flew your, what's it called?
I learned to fly. I said I learned to fly. I learned to fly. I didn't learn to fly. I already knew how to fly. I just hadn't flown in like over a decade. I hadn't flown RC planes for more than a decade. It's not that when I said that, it wasn't that I learned to fly, because I already knew how to fly. It was just I relearned to fly. I should have said I relearned to fly.
Yeah, you're jumping.
Daddy, Daddy.
And when you think your plane is gonna fall and crash, you go.
But that's when I know the radio screwed up. That's when I know that the signal, when I have a radio glitch. What are you gonna do? You know, when you have a radio glitch, you have to say something because you lost control of the plane. The plane can come down anybody's head at any given moment. You don't know. You know what? You know what else you can do? You can run towards the plane holding the transmitter, hoping that, you know, hoping that it's the signal, it catches the signal again. You can run.
Come back to that.
Yeah. No, but I've done that in the past. Like right away, I noticed I had a glitch with the transmitter, and I ran forward maybe 10, maybe 15 feet or whatever, 20 feet, and then I reestablished the connection, the bind, you know, the binding, and it worked, you know. But I shit in my pants. Did you see my car?
I saw your car on the tow truck.
I was like, he's probably gonna see the car, the shit box on the toilet, shit box on the tow truck. I was like, he's probably gonna see the car on the tow. I filmed I remember to start. I started the camera.
Pulling your car up or you're coming acanhado?
No, I forgot. I remembered when he was at the light. I remembered to turn on the camera. Like I wasn't. Like I didn't want to film the guy, right? So as soon as he got in the truck, I forgot to turn on the GoPro.
Yeah.
I only remember when he got to a red light, and I kind of sort of got a shot of that, you know, like.
Okay.
Hi, Grandma.
Don't touch the door.
Don't touch the door, dude.
Don't touch the door. Hold it.
Okay, I didn't touch the door. Okay, video's over. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe to this video.
Leave a comment below, dickheads.
Right here,
Dickheads.
subscribe to this video channel. He says it's good. Especially when he goes, where's my name? Where's my name?
Yeah, right. Bye.